Hello, all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Which state government has created a world's first ceramic waste park named Anokhi Dunya? A. Odisha, B. Bihar, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Haryana. Correct answer is C. Question number 2. The Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program was first launched at which airport? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, B. Cochin International Airport, C. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, D. Indira Gandhi International Airport. Correct answer is D. Question number 3. Which train has officially become the fastest train in India operating at a maximum speed of 160 km per hour? A. Gatiman Express, B. Vande Bharat Express, C. Tejas Express, D. Namo Bharat. Correct answer is D. Question number 4. Which mobile platform was used by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare to send AI-based monsoon forecast to farmers? A. DG Agri, B. M Kisan, C. Krishi Setu, D. Agri Sati. Agri Sati. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. The Directorate of Revenue Intelligence recently seized hydroponic weed as part of its pan-India operation. What is the name of this operation? A. Operation Clean Leaf, B. Operation Weed Out, C. Operation Green Hunt, D. Operation Narcotics Net. Correct answer is B. Question number 6. The Birhor tribe is primarily found in which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttarakhand, C. Jharkhand, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Question number 7. The foundation stone of India's first PM Mitra Park was laid in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Question number 8. Clean Plant Program is conceptualized by which ministry? A. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, B. Ministry of Science and Technology, C. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, D. Ministry of Rural Development. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. Which ministry launched the Adi Yuva Fellowship and Adi Karmyogi Volunteer Program? A. Ministry of Youth Affairs, B. Ministry of Tribal Affairs, C. Ministry of Rural Development, D. Ministry of Education. Correct answer is B. Question number 10. The Subansiri Upper Hydroelectric Project is located in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Uttarakhand, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question number 11. What is the name of the operation launched by the Narcotics Control Bureau to stop illegal pharmaceutical drug trade? A. Operation MedMax, B. Operation Black Shield, C. Operation Delta Strike, D. Operation White Eagle. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. National Health Claim Exchange was developed under which mission by the Nation Health Authority? A. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, B. National Digital Health Mission, C. Bharat Abhiyan, Swasth Bharat Abhiyan, D. National Urban Health Mission. Correct answer is A. Question number 13. Which state government has launched a Shakti Shri program to ensure safety of girls students in colleges and universities? A. Uttarakhand, B. Odisha, C. Gujarat, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is B. Question number 14. Which state has become the first in India to ensure that all polling stations have fewer than 1,000 electors? A. Punjab, B. Gujarat, C. Haryana, D. Bihar. Correct answer is D. Question number 15. Which state government has launched the Human Resource Management System portal for Udyami Mitras? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Haryana, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Question 16. Which institution leads to the WIFEX project? A. Indian Space Research Organization, B. National Environment Engineering Research Institute, C. Indian Institute of Science, D. Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. Correct answer is D. Question number 17. Which state/UT government has announced a hike in cash award for Olympics medalists under the Mukhyamantri Khel Protsahan Yojana? A. Delhi, B. Punjab, C. Ladakh, D. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Question number 18. Where was India's first ESG lab inaugurated? A. Bangalore, B. Mumbai, C. Chennai, D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is B. Question number 19. What is the name of the 11-week cleanliness mission launched in Kurukshetra, Haryana? A. Swachh Bharat Mission Kurukshetra, B. Swachh Kurukshetra, Mera Kurukshetra, Mera Abhiman, C. Haryana Clean City Drive, D. Kurukshetra Shuddh Abhiyan. Correct answer is B. Question number 20. Mission Mausam was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Tourism, B. Ministry of Earth Sciences, C. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer is B. Question number 21. Italian hydropower project is located in which state? A. Sikkim, B. Assam, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Manipur. Correct answer is C. Question 22. Which state government has launched a geotag 13-digit unique identification number system for all infrastructure projects? A. Odisha, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is C. Question 23. What is the name of the survey launched on the Namo app to mark Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 11 years in office? A. Jan Seva Survey, B. Naya Bharat Poll, C. Namo Connect, D. Jan Man Survey. Correct answer is D. Question number 24. What is the name of the operation launched by the CBI to combat cybercrime involving mule bank accounts? A. Operation Cyber Shield, B. Operation Chakra 5, C. Operation Digital Strike, D. Operation SafeNet. Correct answer is B. Question number 25. Which state government has launched India's first Ro-Ro ferry service? A. Goa, B. Gujarat, C. Odisha, D. West Bengal. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you like the video.